Miss Carol, tell me what you think.
Pretty nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
Oh, and things are back.
Yeah, all the furniture is back. That's the benefit of my UV cure system.
Okay.
You can put the furniture back the same day because it instantly cures that finish.
Wow.
Yes, ma'am.
Terrific. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Nice and clean looking.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and the cabinets are back in the places they belong. That's
Yep.
great. And
Yep.
everything's in place. So
Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday, October the 30th. One more day of October. So anyway, guys, we're out here in Brookhaven, Buckhead area. This is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Rosenhall, Bill. I came out here maybe a month ago, did an in-home consultation. He booked on the spot for today. He wanted to get his floors done before the holidays. So the furniture's moved out. We're gonna be doing about 661 square feet, screen and recoat with UV curing. And let me show you what I'm gonna be doing today. Guys, so right now we're just prepping. We are in, again, the Buckhead, Brookhaven community, right off of Lenox Road. And these are the floors we're gonna be doing. Not too bad. That's just the dust from the rug. The rug was moved. So all the furniture is moved. We're going to be doing this foyer area, this dining room, and the worst part is this kitchen. Now, Bill said he does not remember, but there's definitely some type of coating on this floor because you can see it coming off in certain areas. I don't think that is a polyurethane. I think there's some type of seal coat that someone did. So what we're gonna do, guys, is get this floor prepped, screened. You see right here, there, all through here. Now those are like heel marks right there. Those are heel marks. Someone probably wore a lot of high heels in the kitchen. All right, so the kitchen is really the worst area, as you can see, and everything else is okay. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
Down Brookhaven, Georgia, red oak pine floors looking fine tonight. Truman touched that golden light. We roll up slow, tools in the back, screen and Recoat, keeping floors on track. Red oak pine, got that southern glow. Lay that UV down and watch it show. Oh, we shine in Brookhaven, baby, with that UV cure divine. In the gray line, honey, that floor look brand new every time.
All right, guys, from the edges we got these floors nice and screened. The floors look better already. So we're about to do a cleaning tack. Then we're gonna get the coating down, and then we're gonna go off and have some lunch, and then we'll come back, UV cure. All right, guys.
Sad glow takes its place. Turn on that light, let it cure all night. Bringing life back under your feet. When the morning comes, that red oak hum, a rhythm strong and sweet. Oh, we shine in Brookhaven, baby. UV magic in the air.
right, guys, we just got back from lunch.
We don't just clean.
Floors are ready for UV. Look how good these floors look now, guys. Like I said, this was the worst area right here. But man, that looks amazing. So T is about to set up the UV machine.
With that UV cure, baby.
Oh, this looks really good. Oh yeah. Really good. Nice. Nice. All right, guys. Stay tuned.
It's a big improvement.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Look at that. It looks really
No,
good.
this looks good.
Yes,
This
sir.
looks really good.
Thank you. And look at the kitchen. And you chose a good finish too. The finish looks really good on this floor. Oh, look at that kitchen. Man, that kitchen is perfection.
Enjoy your lunch?
Yes, we did.
This is like 100% better.
That's what I'm talking about. Question though, I did mention this. Did somebody used to wear heels a lot? A lot of, what is it?
Actually, we don't even use shoes in the.
These little droplets. I thought it
I
was.
know there are a lot of nicks here, and I don't know.
Okay, so yeah, usually. And
This is
then,
why I thought we might have to sand.
okay, yep. And they came out good. Nice. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the UV going.
You're the man.
Thank you. All right, guys, we are done. Mr. Bill said it is looking good. Furniture is bad. That was the benefit of the UV. Put the furniture back the same day, because without the UV, you would have to wait about 3-5 days to put the furniture back.
Oh, is that right?
Yes, sir. All right, guys, that looks amazing. So I'm also going to show Mrs. Bill's wife, what to use on the floors to keep them nice and clean. As you can see, furniture's back. Beautiful furniture. All right, guys. Shout out to my guy Tavares, one of my best assistants ever. All right, guys. Well, we'll be back at it tomorrow. Tomorrow we have another one. Now they have a moving company. Christian and his crew are going to be moving their furniture in the morning. That job is in Roswell, right off of Riverside Road, and we'll be out there tomorrow and doing another screen of Recoat. All right, guys. See you in the next one.